Last summer I applied to the lab and I got accepted into Harvard Stem Cell Institute. And my research project last summer was on the HIV virus. This summer my project is on immune tolerance. So my job here this summer, my project, is to understand how that immune tolerance occurs during pregnancy.
Along with acquiring a lot of technical skill and knowledge and critical thinking skills, this has been a huge opportunity for personal growth for me. To be able to think about and push through problems, to interact with everybody here and make friends with, the kinds of people who are at the top of their fields.
Hannah and Paul are extraordinary students. They've accumulated a lot of research experience, and they're not afraid of failing. Hannah told me that she wrote to almost 100 research labs, and she only had one response, but that one positive response was from the Stem Cell Institute at Harvard University.
I try not to take it for granted ever. It's incredible to be here. It's incredible to be doing work here and giving all of my efforts and brain power here. Every day walking in the building and we see the sign that says Harvard Department of Stem Cell and Regenerative Biology, I sit there and I'm like, wow, we're here. We're here doing incredible work.
When you start doing experiments and you start getting results, you just can't stop because you start getting excited about it and you just keep going and you don't even see time passing.
You can dedicate your life to being in the lab and doing research, but that doesn't mean that you stop living your life. It just becomes integrated as a part of your life like everything else.
Cambridge is awesome because everyone bikes around, so it's actually fun to bike every day. And we hang out with other friends from the lab.
We're on a volleyball team here. We go outside and we play volleyball.
Last summer, I played here in the Rhino Volleyball Cup. That it's a volleyball cup just for scientists. It's very interesting because I get to be scientist here and also a volleyball player. So it's everything I love to do in one place.
We'll walk into the yard and read books. It's a lifestyle, and it's a lifestyle that was built on just wanting something more and going after it.
I decided to leave my comfort zone in Brazil and leave my family in pursuit of my dreams, which would be a scientist and a doctor. So I decided to come to the United States, and I had the opportunity of playing volleyball at Hofstra, but I decided to leave volleyball and focus on my research. It was amazing to represent, a Brazilian student and athlete here in the United States and be able to host Pelé. The word Pelé, for me, it is like a mantra of joy, a password for happiness. There's a Pelé in basketball, there's a Pelé in volleyball, even in a biology class, there's a Pelé if you stand out in it. My dream is to become Pelé in something. Since I got here, since last summer, I get more and more inspired about research and what research can do.
Doing it at Harvard adds a touch of glamour and broad name recognition, and it's a nice marquee headline. But that's less significant than the activity itself.
It's been really cool to get to see that the people that make these differences are just like you and me, and so it's been terrific for me to be able to see that and say, hey, I can get there. That can be me making this change one day.
Our students have had great success engaging in actual research. Now remember, when Harvard or Michigan or some other place has a Hofstra student coming in, it's because they can do what they need to do.
People here at Harvard comment about it, like, whoa, 2 people from Hofstra. Hofstra gives you all of the opportunities for you to go anywhere you want. Go after your dreams, dream big, work really hard, that you can go anywhere you desire.